All right, we've gone through most of the tools here. It zooms, but you can do that over here. This is color picker. You click on that. You click on part of the face. See how it changed color over here? Yeah. So you can pick any color that you want. If you want to do that. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's hand pan. So you can take it and move it, I guess, when it's zoomed in. I prefer using this thing over here. It's more wonderful. That's my personal opinion. All right, so we got the crop tool. Crop tool's wonderful because what it's called crop doesn't mean you're doing any gardening. It means you're just cutting down the image to the size that you would like to have it. It gives you the dimensions over here. So if there's specific dimensions you want, you can add in there. It gives you this grid over here for rules of three. Yep, yep. That's even an art. All right. So, like if I was doing that, I would want to try to get those crosshairs in the eyeballs as much as possible. You notice like the nose fits perfectly in that center box. Yeah, that's what I would do. That's crop. And then you just hit see free. We got ratio, size, all that good stuff. Um, so that'll help you give it to a certain size. This will do the ratios for you. Blah blah blah. Uh, all that good stuff. We can have a constraint to make it the same size, whatnot. And you hit apply, and boom, it applies it. Wonderful. The next tool I like to show you is this tool right here, the scissors, which I really like this tool. I do. It's like my best friend. So, hi, best friend. You have your tool here. You have basically make some mask. In Photoshop, you really had to do a lot of bells and whistles to make masks. Magic mask, draw mask, lasso mask, gradient mask. I don't normally use gradient mask, but shape mask, boom, you make a shape and then it makes a mask. Gets rid of everything else but what was in that box. Magic mask, it's just like that color tool magic thing here. We selected a whole bunch of stuff and it just selects a whole bunch of stuff. See, look at that. It's selecting a whole bunch of stuff. That are colors that are closely related together. I don't like using that too much. I do like using the brush tool. And the brush tool is wonderful. So like I can do the brush here. And then I can change my brush sizes if I want. When I'm not recording, it's a lot smoother than what it is. And if I want to, I can zoom in areas. Zoom. Grab this little thing over here, go up to the top. And say I just want my bald head. I don't want this stuff here. I go here. Here is you add. So it was in green. Here is going to be red. So I can get real close. And then I can just take away stuff. Now you're not going to be too accurate when you do using the mouse pad on the computer. You might be more accurate using an actual mouse if you have a mouse. More accurate if you have a drawing pad. I just know that from experience. But these are two wonderful tools that you can use and utilize. Zoom back out. There's my face. This tool, while I have time, is a Liquify tool. The Liquify tool is just a nice fun tool that you can just do to make funny videos or photos. So it just takes a certain object, to give it more strength. Good night. We get more strength, we can give it more density, it's going to be more powerful. And you can see how it does it there. It's like kind of like the smudge tool. If we just go over here and click once, boom, boom. Well, tell me I got about 30 seconds. It manipulates it. All right, it can make things smaller. What do we want to make smaller? So let's go here. See, this puts it back down the size. And it makes it a lot smaller. Yeah, that's weird. Swirls. Well, it will swirl it. And if you want to move it around, it'll swirl it, move it around.